Hey guys, welcome back. So guys, in this video we are going to learn about how to confirm and delete the data from your database in CodeIgniter 4. So guys, now as we saw in previous video about deleting using get method and push method, now we want to delete the data using confirm. Okay, so I just want to confirm. So how will we confirm? Using jQuery Ajax. Okay, so guys, now let's get started with it. So as you saw, we are on the index page, which we are fetching the table records as this. Now let me just add one more column called confirm delete. Okay, so let's remove this and tell confirm FIRM confirm delete, and this confirm delete I want to create one button. So let's copy this delete button, same thing, and not required, so let's make that once again. So let's make not table row, we have to give table data, and inside this I'm going to create a button. So let's type button, and this button name will give a delete, and now let's give a type is equal to, which will be button, button button. Oops, let's make inside, and now here we are going to send the value is equal to, and then we are going to send the class. So what is the class design will be, we'll take the same danger button only, which is red button, and we'll paste, and the values which you are going to send, the row ID, whatever we have sent into our edit, delete, whatever the data of that. So let's send the row ID over here, that means student ID. Let's give semicolon, and now guys, as simple you can see the output of it. So let me just refresh. Over here you can find the delete option. So guys, this ID only we are passing into this button value, nothing else. So let's save this, and now guys, let's create one class called confirm button. Okay, confirm del button, we'll give this. So let's copy this and create a script for this to delete the record without like confirm and delete. So let's get started with this. So now you have to type your script code. Okay, so we are using the section. So what we have to do, we have to go to our layouts. Which layouts? Like this front end layouts, where you will be following up. Let's go to layouts and front end. So inside layouts folder, front end.php is there, and inside this only the section is end till here. So let's include one more render section where we'll mention this as scripts. Done, and let's copy this scripts tag name and paste into your index page. Now let's go below, and before this PHP start and end, where echo $this of your section. So what section you are going to view? Scripts section, and let's end this script. Done. So now whatever the script you write, it will come below this. Done. And now guys, let's get started with the coding part of deleting the data. As simple, let's type jq-doc. So I have installed the jQuery plugin, so all it will ready and give. So jq click over here, and now in this click I am going to add the button name. So let me just minimize this sidebar. So confirm delete button, let's copy that, and over here this is a class, so make sure you are adding dot. That's it. And now guys, what's the data is here that I want to fetch. So let's create a variable called id is equal to, inside this dollar bracket of value I'm going to get that value. So how will you get? So you can tell when it is clicked, confirm is clicked, $this dot val data should get off. That's it. Once it gets, then you have to check with that. So before checking, we will use a confirm function. Okay, so let's tell confirm function inside this and give double quotes and type, do you want to delete this data? Give question mark. That's it. Save, and once it's, if you say okay, then we will print the ID, $ID. This ID we are going to print. As simple. So let's save and execute the page. So let's refresh, And now guys, I'm going to click on this ID number 4. So ID number 4 should be popped up. So before popping, it should show a confirm, really. Okay, do you really want to delete this data? Let me click OK. So you can see ID number 4 has come. So let's send this ID 4 and check with that how to delete. Now let's write the query for it. Let's comment this and let's call it Ajax. Okay, so JQ Ajax if you call. So now over here we don't need this type, data type, we don't require. We just need one URL and the ID inside this URL. So guys, now we are going to create the route. So as we want to confirm and delete, so let's give / where I'm going to call the students, where again / confirm FIRM confirm delete I want to say, and / where I'm going to concatenate the ID. So just give plus symbol and add this ID. With that it will take this route with that, and then it will concatenate the ID and send. So after success, I want the window to be reloaded. So windows.location.reload function. Okay, and then after that you can, if you want, you can give an alert, or else you can use your Bootstrap Alertify. If you want to see that, please, link is given in the description to how to set that Alertify in Bootstrap. Okay, so let's tell data deleted, done. And now guys, we have to create a route with this. So let's copy this with the ID and create a route. So let's go to our routes.php and we will create a route with the same name. So let us copy which was previously created for it. So let me just paste, and now let's cut and paste for here. And now we are going to tell confirm delete, where we are sending the ID, and then we are going to student controller where delete function. So let us create one more function called confirm delete. Okay, with the ID we are sending this number, right? Whatever ID you are sending, so please give $1. So that time it will take. So let's copy this and go to your student controller. So let's move over here and create the function for deleting this data. Okay, so as you can see that in previous video we have already coded, so we'll use this only and delete the data. So let me just Control X and replace with this. And now guys, you are accepting the ID, as you can see that in your route where you have sent that $1. Oops, let me just click on student controller, and then you are using the student model, whatever the model you are using with that, and then delete function to delete the ID. And when you are going to redirect, we are not going to redirect because we are using Ajax. So we need to keep only just return or echo or response, whatever. If you want to send the response anything, you can call that over here using this response. You can just show that. So right now I don't need anything, so I am given like this, done. Let's save this, and now guys, let's execute the output. Let's come reload the page, and now let me just add some dummy data. Okay, let me add some data, save. Okay, so ID number 12, this is dummy data. Let me confirm and click. So if I click delete, it's asking me to, do you want to delete this data? Okay, so let me tell yes. Okay, so if I click data deleted, let's make OK, and you can see that it has gone. ID number 12 has been deleted from your DB. So this is how we delete the data by confirming using jQuery. So guys, please watch out the next video about how to delete the data using Bootstrap model thing. Okay, so guys, thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe, like and share.